See what Kent has to say. See what Kent says over here. It is possible that the product of the serpent may be everything needed for the healing of man. Extend this to the whole animal kingdom, and it is probably so. There seems to be everything existing in one kingdom that exists in another. If we had a perfect knowledge of any one kingdom, we could probably cover the entire scope of curative possibilities. That's what Kent also says. The idea about understanding the kingdom, at least one kingdom in its totality, your 60% of the work is done. That is what he mentions.